Hello Snapchat fam. Do you want to change your profile picture on Snapchat account beside your avatar look? So if that's the case, get along with me. In this video, today I'm gonna show you how to change your public profile picture on Snapchat account so to remain updated or to show what you like at the moment through profile picture. So first, grab your mobile and open your Snapchat app. Click on profile icon in the top left corner. There you see public profile option. Click on that. Click on setting icon, then click on edit profile. After that, click on profile picture. That's where you can choose different profile photo based on what you like. Click on one of the option that you like the most. Click on and save change. And now you got new profile picture on Snapchat. Easy, right? Simple and easy. That's it. So if this video helped, like, subscribe and comment below. See ya in the next video.